Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In Kalabag salt mine, located in Kalabag, there is an issue in Kalabag salt mine of pillar failure and ground control. So company hired us to resolve the issue and give us some data. In abstract, we discuss about Kalabag mine and its issue and what we conclude after discussion and results. Kalabag salt mine is located in Miawali districts of province Punjab. Basically, rock salt deposit are mined by adapting underground mine or surface mining operation depending upon the depth, thickness of our burden, and position of rock salt deposit. Applications of engineering problems, research, development, design, construction, production, operation, etc. Rock mass properties depends upon two perspectives: in situ stresses and then limitation of classification approach, classification based method, etc. According to given data, we have inclination of 25 degree and we find 360.65 meter K length. Then in situ stresses include vertical stress and horizontal stress. Vertical stress by using relation rho, g and z. Z is our burden and rho is density. We include vertical stress 4.4 megapascal. We find K by using formula V minus V divided by 1 minus V, where V is Poisson ratio. Then find horizontal stress by using relation. Then we find mine opening and pillar design. In mine opening, we find area of rectangular and area of semicircle, and then area of R-shaped mine, which include sum of area of rectangle and area of semicircle, which is 10.317 meters square. Then volume calculations, which is 3720.52 meter cube. Here is the minor opening design, in which width is 3.4 meter and whole length is also 3.4 meter. Arc radius is 1.7 meter. Stressing around the opening, we have vertical stress K. A and B depends upon the design of mine opening, this which is D-shaped mine opening. So K is A and B. A is 3.2 and B is 2.3. We find sigma theta R, which is tangential stress in roof, and sigma theta W, which is tangential stress in wall, by using the relations. Pillar design. In pillar design, we have width 3.4 meter, average UCS 15.6 megapascal. Then find sigma P by using formula PZZ into WO plus WP divided by WP, which is 8.99. Here is design of pillar, in which length and height are 8 meter and spacing between pillars 3.5 meter. Factor of safety, which is find by using relation ultimate stress divided by allowable stress, and we find factor of safety 1.7352. Recovery ratio, for recovery ratio, we have width of pillar and spacing between pillar, then find area of pillar by 8 into 8, then total area by 8 plus 3.5 into 8 plus 3.5. We have total area 132.25 meters square. Then find ratio, which is concluded as 51.60%. After all these calculation and results, we conclude our problem and issue of Kalabag salt mine is solved by taking in situ stresses and parameter of mine opening and pillar as above.